welcome back to Justful Bites. Today we're diving into a true crowd pleasure, dumplings. Let's get right to it and start cooking these delicious little bites. First up, let's make our dumpling dough. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of flour. Next, sprinkle in half teaspoon of salt and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well. Then slowly add water as you mix until you get a nice workable dough. When the dough is almost ready, add 1 teaspoon of oil to keep it smooth and moist. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes while we work on the filling. For the filling, we're using 500 grams of boneless chicken. Place it in a bowl and add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste, and 1 or 2 chopped chilies for a little kick. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half cup of chopped onion, and 1/3 cup of fresh coriander. Finally, add oil and bring it all together. Mix until everything is well combined and your filling is ready to go. Now let's roll out our dumpling wraps. Divide the dough into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Each ball into a thin circle about 3 inches wide. If you want a uniform look, you can use a cookie cutter to shape each wrap perfectly. Now for the fun part, place a spoonful of filling in the center of each wrap. Fold the wrapper in half over the filling and pinch the edges to seal. If you want a classic look, you can simply press them closed. cook the dumplings, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dumplings in the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottoms are golden brown. Carefully add 1/3 cup of water. Then cover the lid to steam for 5 to 6 minutes or until the filling is fully cooked. Once done, remove the lid and let the dumplings crisp up for an extra minute. Serve your dumplings hot with a dumpling sauce made of soy sauce, vinegar, and little chili oil or sesame oil. And there you have it, delicious golden brown dumplings. Ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Justful Bites for more tasty creations. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!